Hello guys, welcome back to another video of making low poly characters from A to Z. This is going to be the last video of this series, and for the letter Z I made Zoro from One Piece. I was going to make this video like a real-time modeling one, but after like 5 to 10 minutes I forgot that I was recording and was quiet during the entire video and then started singing some random songs. So voiceover was the next best option. Now that this series has ended, I'm going to start to learn how to sculpt, and I will be sharing my progress as well. It may take me a week or two to get familiar with sculpting, so in the meantime I'm going to make some videos on the games that I play. Mainly that will be Genshin and Wuwa. I do have some characters that I want to build, and maybe, it's a big maybe, okay, I might make a game where I put all the low poly characters that I made and put them in a battle royale or something, but it's a big maybe, okay, I cannot guarantee that. Well then, that's all I have to say. You can enjoy the rest of the time lapse, and I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe. I've been stuck at 142 for a long time now, so please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.